guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be my first update for hashtag Partners in Cream 2021. This is an all cream project pan. I had set some usage goal for some of my items. I had selected 6 items and I'm going to update you on my progress for these 6 items. If you like project pan videos or if you enjoyed this video while you're watching it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Now let's go ahead and get into it. First and foremost, this project was created by DaLin and by Steph. They are going to be both in the description box. Their channels are linked in the description box. Go ahead and check them out. And if you like the idea of this project, you can just search for hashtag Partners in Cream 2021 and then you'll come up with a playlist of everybody on YouTube, or you can search for it on Instagram and you can see all the other people participating in the project. Like I said, I had 6 items to begin with. I started the project with 6 items. I'm gonna roll one out today. I'm gonna roll one in its place. I did meet my goal on it, and let's go ahead and get into it. I'll start with the ones that I didn't meet my goal, and I'm gonna leave the one that I met my goal on all the way to the end. You know, just changing it up. We're gonna start with the first item, a Super Shock Shadow, and the shade is Bow Down. My goal was to use this guy 5 times. I only used it 3 times, so I need to use it 2 more times. I mean, there is a nice dip in it, but I feel like every time I have to use, or not I feel like, I know that every time I have to use this product, I have to use some Duraline to like, because it's dried out basically. I think once I meet my goal of 5 uses, I think I'm going to go ahead and declutter this one. Then I feel like, okay, I got my money's worth out of it and I'm fine. I've used it previously, so it's not like only 3 uses in general. The shade is really beautiful. I am wearing it today all over my lid and then topping it with the other Super Shock Shadow. It's just so dried out, so crumbly. I'm trying to like swatch it. It was a little bit still kind of from Duraline today. So there it is, but it's not the same. It's no longer a Super Shock Shadow. It's kind of like a powdery, crumbly mess. Anyway, so here's the first item in the project. Again, 2 more uses on that one. I had, by Fenty, I had the cream bronzer, and the shade is Macchiato. My goal was to use this guy 10 times. I've used it 5 times already. Again, there's enough, you know, you can still see, you can start to see usage in these products. It's a little dip in there. I did wear this guy today as well. I tried to wear all the products today that I'm filming an update for them. You know, I tried to do that. So there it is, halfway there, 5 more uses. If I use it 5 more times in February, like until the next update, then on the next update I will be rolling in a different cream bronzer. By Nars, this was or is the liquid blush in the shade is Torrid. My goal for this one was also to use it 10 times and I only used it 3 times. I have 7 more to go. It's beautiful shade, and it's not difficult to use by any means. I just pump a little bit on the back of my hand and then pick it up with a dual fiber brush and like apply it to my cheeks, and then I top it with a you know, a powder bronzer. So it's not really difficult to use. It just, I don't know, I only reached for it 3 times, 7 more times to go. So this guy is still going strong. For Becca, this is the Under Eye Brightening Corrector. Let's see, how many uses did I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've used it 9 times. My goal was to use it 20 times. Almost halfway there. Definitely seeing some dip again in the product. I do use this guy almost, well, I think so far I use it every single time I did my makeup, except one time I forgot to use it, but I have been using it, and that shows you I've only worn makeup 10 times since the last time I did my intro. That's kind of sad. That's 10 times in a month. Anyways, so I do really like this product. It's very brightening under my eye. Obviously, it's a under eye brightener, but I do really enjoy it. It kind of like opens, you know, the area, the inner corner. It opens it up. It covers my dark circle. Like if I have really dark circles, it works really well covering that up. And then I do top it with like a concealer. So I try not to use too much of this one because I don't want to cake it on, like because I apply a concealer on top of it as well. So I just typically just grab a little bit with my finger, tap it in, let it dry a little bit, and then go in with the concealer, and then hey, it looks, I mean, I enjoy it. I enjoy it a lot, and that's why I put it in this project. For a lip product, I have the Mcgrath Blitztrance, and the shade is Flesh Fatale. My goal was to use this guy 10 times. I've used it 5 times, so I'm halfway there. I used it today, but on top of a red lipstick. I wanted to swatch it, but I think the swatch is going to be tainted because, again, I use it on top of a red lipstick. So there it is over here. It's really beautiful lipstick. It's shimmery, it's shiny. I'm just scared that it's gonna go bad before I get some uses out of it. I had a couple of these like minis go bad on me. Like they they wear white mold fuzzy stuff on them, and I had to throw them out. So I'm trying to use it before it gets bad. I'm halfway there. Once I reach my goal on it, I'm gonna roll in a different lipstick. Now the one product that I did meet my goal on is a Super Shock Shadow, and this is in the shade Voila. So there it is. This guy is newer to my collection than the shade Bow Down. Again, this is such a beautiful color. It's definitely a lot more creamy still because it is newer. There it is right here. So it's still purple, but lighter, you know. I did meet my goal on this one. I used it 5 times. My goal was to use it 5 times, and I'm going to go ahead and roll it out this time. And then I'm going to roll in its place another cream shadow, but this is by Kaja, and this is the Moon Crystal, one of the Moon Crystal shadows, and this is the shade Magic. This guy is so pretty. I really, really enjoy it, and it's been a long time since I used it, so I'm happy to be rolling it in. And my goal is also going to be to use it 5 times. So there it is over here. So you know, like it has that duochrome. It is duochrome. Kind of looks like purple, looks green. It shifts. But once you blend it out, this guy sets like it's done. It's not gonna go anywhere. I do really like those. I have a different one by Kaja, and which I'll probably roll in next. So this is it, you guys. This is my update for #PartnersInCream 2021. I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.